Yo, so I have a crazy hat unboxing for you guys, but before we can get into this, I actually copped a new camera. So this is gonna be my last time ever making a YouTube video or a video period with this camera. Super hyped for the transition. Definitely important to always invest in yourself, allow yourself to grow, not only with your equipment, but with what you're doing. Yeah, so with no further ado, let's swap out the camera. I got some new lights in here too. I don't know if you can tell or not, but let's see how it goes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so hopefully it looks somewhat different. This is the new camera. I'm hoping I didn't just waste money. It better look different. I still don't know what I'm doing as far as ISO, aperture, shutter speed. I'm gonna have to figure all that out, but that's part of the process. I'm super hyped to be going from TikTok and Instagram Reel content. That's a lot simpler, I guess I could say. Expectations a lot lower. YouTube, I feel like there's like a higher production value expectation. So I'm hyped to dive into that. But yeah, I'm not gonna waste too much time. Get into this unboxing. A lot of you guys always ask me, where's the best place to buy fitted hats? Where can you buy fitted hats? I'm about to show you 3 places today. These are straight fire hats. Make sure you guys drop a like and a comment and hit the sub button if you didn't already. Let's get into these hats, man. I want y'all to rate them 1 through 10 and let me know in the comments which one do you guys like the best. Let's stop wasting time. Cool, so first up we have from Hat Club. I was super hyped to get this hat. Don't have this logo yet. For some weird reason, you would think I would have it. When I was a kid, I actually played Little League for this team. It's gonna be the Seattle Mariners from Hat Club. Forget the name of this pack to be honest, but it's definitely icy themed, icy related. Icy blue bottom, as you can see. I still haven't even curved this yet. On the side, there's a 30th anniversary patch. I'll let that focus in so you guys can peep that out. New Era flag is like this icy UNC blue. You probably cannot see that. On the back, it's a flat Batterman. Probably can't see that very well either. From Hat Club, super fire drop. I forget the name of this drop, but I'm sure you guys know. Comment down below if you know what this drop was called. Definitely a W, definitely a W. I packed some heat into this video, man. Like low key, all these hats came in around the same time. So I'm hyped to do this unboxing. Low key, these are like straight bangers. On to the next hat. All the way from Patterson, New Jersey, the infamous My Fitteds. I'm sure a lot of you guys who follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you saw this hat already, that I had it, but I'm super hyped to say I have a Bisons in my collection. Another first time, similar to the Mariners hats. I did not have one of these in my collection. If you guys aren't familiar with Bison hats or the hype around the Bison hats, it is a minor league team. And this is actually, like I said, from My Fitteds, and it was Lucky Charm themed. And on the back, there's not an MLB logo because they're not part of professional baseball. They are actually a minor league team, like I said. So super dope. If you guys know anything about My Fitteds, if you know anything about these Bison logoed hats, they're super hype right now, and I'm super excited to have this. I haven't even curved it up yet, bro. Like it's still flat bill shorty with it. But this hat is super fire. I'm super excited to have this in my collection, and I'm gonna be holding on to this one for a very long time for sure. Rate this in the comments 1 to 10. What do you guys think of this Bison's hat? I think it's a banger. That's 2 crazy ones back to back, honestly. Last but not least, if you haven't already, like, comment, and sub. I'll give you a second, go ahead and get it in. All right, bet. So, shout out to my guy. If you guys don't follow Fitted Hat Mitch on Instagram and TikTok, make sure you guys go tap in with him. He teamed up with Pro Image for this fire collab. You guys know that I'm an Atlanta Braves fan, and not only is this hat collaboration that Mitch did, an Atlanta Braves hat, but it's also paying homage to one of the dopest movies ever, which is Drumline with Nick Cannon. If you've seen the movie Drumline, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Forget the name of the school, but it was the school that Nick Cannon actually went to in the movie. The blue and yellow, almost like UCLA colors. Yeah, that's the theme behind this hat. So this is the Drumline drop, and this is straight crazy. Like I said, you guys know I'm an Atlanta Braves fan. You got like this royal blue. It's almost like the Rams colorway, honestly. You got like this royal blue with this dope, like deep manila yellow. And then on the bottom, it's the icy blue, bro. This is honestly crazy. With the 1995 World Series patch, this is wild, bro. This was like, honestly, I feel like a sleeper, you know what I mean? If you guys aren't familiar with Pro Image, they have a bunch of different locations. I wanna say this one was at a specific one. The Middleton, I wanna say this was a Pro Image Middleton, New York. Don't kill me in the comments if I'm wrong. But again, regardless of the fact, this hat is fire. Shout out to my dog Fitted Hat Mitch for this, man. Super happy to have copped this. You guys let me know in the comments though, man. I want you guys to rate this unboxing 1 to 10. I feel like I pulled out some straight bangers. We're almost at 100K. Last time I checked, at the time of me recording this, we're at 91,000. 1,000 subs. We hit that 100K, we're definitely gonna have to get a giveaway of some sort in. Drop down your ideas in the comments. Let me know what videos you guys wanna see. Also, last but not least, let me know which hat is your favorite. Are you going with the Atlanta Braves from Pro Image? Are you going with the Hat Club Seattle Mariners? Or are you going with the My Fit is Bisons? Shout out to the new camera. If you watch this video all the way to the end, I want you guys to comment new camera W. We're gonna keep it rolling, man. I wanna try to upload at least once a week, if not more, but at a minimum once a week. If you guys notice on my other platforms like TikTok and Instagram that I'm not posting to YouTube, please get on me, bro. Please press me and say, bro, where the YouTube video at? But again, I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, and sub. Questions or concerns, man, let me know in the comments. That's the best place for us to have a conversation. I appreciate y'all boys and I love you, man. Be smooth. I'll see you guys very soon.